Hello, this is Mark Jaynes with Rapid Mortgage. I wanted to try to get some advice out on how clients could use their stimulus checks in order to help them qualify and purchase a home. The stimulus checks are going to start hitting this week. A family of four could get up to $5,600. And we want to make sure this is a good time to reach out to the clients and maybe touch base that have been on the sidelines for one reason or another and advise them that they can use that money to help buy a home. The good news from a mortgage lending perspective is those funds are considered valid and verified funds day one. There is no waiting period for us to be able to use that to either pay for closing costs, down payment, whatever it may be. So a couple different strategies that we've been thinking through are a lot of clients have enough for the down payment, but not enough for their closing costs. You're going in and writing an offer asking for $3,500 in seller paid closing costs. In this market, that's almost impossible to get with competing offers. So now maybe with that stimulus money, they can afford to cover their own closing costs, makes it a more competitive offer. Likewise, if they had enough for down payment and closing costs before, that $5,000 now might be able to go towards appraisal gap coverage, again, trying to make their offer more competitive. The other thing that we're looking at from a lending perspective is we have a lot of clients that have lower credit scores due to maxed out credit cards. Because of that, they may only qualify for FHA financing, which again is kind of a weak offer in this market. So a lot of times we can take that $5,600, we can pay down their credit card balances with it, take them from a 620 credit score to a 720 credit score, get them approved for a conventional loan. So all of these tactics are about really just helping that client put a stronger, more competitive offer out there. The other thing this time of year is people are getting their tax refunds as well. Sometimes they're getting, if they're filing head of household, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 in a tax refund. So if they get the tax refund for $5,000, they get a stimulus check for $5,600. That client that may not have had a whole lot of money before, all of a sudden has access to maybe $10,000 to $12,000 that could really help them put a competitive offer in on the table and help them buy a home. So if you have clients that have been struggling, getting denied by other lenders, not able to cover their own closing costs, it's a great time to reach out to everybody in your database. If you'd like us to talk to the clients and discuss these strategies with them, we'd love to be in contact. So reach out and let's get some of these people in contract. Thanks.